Alrighty, good morning kids. Today we are playing traveling mechanic slash fab guy. I have a client who wants to convert his 40 from a regular 40 rear door sit up to 40 series tailgate setup. So what I did was I made these little backer plates. These are just drilled and tapped. It's a 5/16 plate, and that will just go behind the channel. So we are haul ass over there Saturday morning and go deal with this. Stay tuned. I'm terrible at filming. So tailgate is installed. Just quick and dirtily, you saw the plates. They just go on back here. So we just piloted these and then put the plates behind there. Here, actually. This is the piece that I was worried about. This is just a piece of channel back here. There's my plate, you can see. Those are just drilled and tapped 5/16. The other thing that goes on here is these latches didn't hit, so we had to make these. These are just a through hole. Here, come around back there. Same thing with these. This hitch hole ends up being about 3.5 inches down to your center spot right there. And that is pretty much the long and short of that. Just bolts on super easy. So this job helps if you have an extra set of hands. But what we ended up doing was getting this where we wanted and then putting a C-clamp right here to hold it up. We did this first set of bolts first to get it to hold itself up, and then went back and sized those other two. So like I said, not rocket science-y, definitely a little bit easier than I had anticipated. And the tire carrier still goes over it just like it should. Yeah, so I didn't use anything special other than a pilot drill and a stepper drill bit, and that was it. Pretty easy. So if you want to take this on yourself, don't be afraid. This helps because we have like a lot of the stock shit, and some of this 40 stuff can be expensive, but if you have one, just bolt it up. Like I said, it's not rocket science. If you prefer a tailgate, put a tailgate in versus the doors. All right guys, so I know that's not the most in-depth video of probably what you wanted to see on putting a tailgate on a 40. But the reality of the situation is, do you really want to watch time lapse of me drilling holes, right? So all we did was put that tailgate up in there, got it where we wanted it, marked holes, drilled them, right? That back plate is a piece of sheet metal with a piece of channel underneath it, so it's kind of like 2 layers. You just want to go ahead and drill through there. I drilled those holes to the next size past 5/16, like 11/32. And then we were able to fit them to the plates, and there's enough slack in the hinge and that stuff where you can get everything centered up. I was hoping that those latch hooks would hit the old holes where the old hinge thing was, but they didn't, so we had to put, what do we end up drilling? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Drilled a dozen holes in the car, so it is what it is. I know it's blasphemous to some of you Land Cruiser freaks or whatever, but this truck's not a resto truck. It's already been LS swapped and things like that, so the guy just wanted a tailgate, which is more practical than the double door thing, so that's why we did it for him. And customer's always right? Nope. Anyway, thanks, peace. Think you take something away from that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.